Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, April 10th, 2013. Well, a change of trend today, and a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low, and a very bearish black body candle. The black body denotes the sellers making a significant amount of net bearish progress as opposed to the buyers that made net bullish progress for the previous day's trading. A day where the market's closed down towards the lows, suggesting that the sellers have closed with very, very strong control of this market, and they've shown fairly strong commitment to taking this market lower. The only problem for this market trading lower is that we're now trading within this zone of very strong support, and it's a zone that's been in play for quite some time. It's a very large zone of support for this market. It extends from 1559 down to about 1523, and we can see here in the recent past where the market interacted with this zone or just to the top of it, that the market recovered very quickly and the buyers came in quite strongly, and we saw very strong upside price rejection. So there is a possibility of this market not testing lower, and at the moment with this current candle as it's developing, it has tested down to lower levels, but the close is up towards the high. And we can see this shadow on the bottom of this candle representing the sellers losing commitment, so a possibility of this market finding support already down at these levels. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, now that the market is trading in a new first time frame downtrend, we're comparing the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down in the first time frame. And for today's trading, we've seen the market close in a bearish manner through the important 38.2% level. Our target here is the 50% level at around 1551. The market has almost traded to there, very close to there, 1 point to within that level, and we are seeing strong upside projection, and this does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend to the upside. Now, if that 50% market level does fail to hold, then we have the important 61.8% level down around 1542, which should be watched if we don't see a change of trend to the upside. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here today we saw the market test to the 61.8% level, tested just below there and was rejected from there in a minor way, closed just at that level. It does suggest that there is a small potential for a change of trend, but with the solid bearishness with this candle, certainly no strength in the buyers, so the likelihood of a change of trend around here is not terribly strong. But today, as we've seen this current candle develop, the market did test down towards the 78.6% level. It's only a minor level, and we do need to watch this Fibonacci ratio if we don't change the first time frame downtrend. If this market does sell off once again, the 78.6 could come into play, but then the 100% will be much more important, and that's down at 1539. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bearish market in all three timeframes. The market is trading down below the cloud, so a bearish bias. The market is also trading down below the Kijun-sen, so a bearish bias in the medium-term time frame, and the market is trading down below the Tenkan-sen, so bearish in the short-term time frame. The short-term dynamics with this candle, with the sellers taking control, are certainly supporting this market trading lower. The check-out span here is down below the corresponding price action, so everything is pointing to this market trading lower, but we do need to take into account this zone of very, very strong support that the market is trading in, and already we are seeing the sellers lose commitment as this current candle is developing, so there is a possibility of this market bouncing to higher levels. The first level we should be looking for potential resistance is the 1571 level here, coincides roughly with where the Tenkan-sen is trading, and then up to the 1577 level, a previous important level of support and resistance, and also an area where the Kijun-sen is trading at.